Southwest, 1578. Oh, the rain's blowing right in my face. Wind's gusting 27 out of the east. Oh yeah. Love it. Oh, big clock. Oh, jeez. Whoa. That's cool. I don't know who it is. That's a good looking bird, huh? Look at that livery. 661 from Newark. 2 hours and 27 minutes of flying time. It says this is a special livery, sustainable fuel livery. I don't see any markings on it.
Air 465 November Echo Tampa Tower. Air 465 November Echo Roger. For now, remain outside of Bravo Airspace, Squawk 0120.
Spirit in the sky. Oh, I just love reverser spray. The rain is really slowed down. Looks like it's supposed to get heavy again at 2 o'clock. Get another half hour.
56, next right turn, contact ground point 7.
Perfect.
Air 456 November Echo landing at the ramp will be at your own risk.
Wind's gusting now at 2-3. Rain's more of a drizzle now. Coming directly out of the east.
On the ground.
Chevrolet 2147, discrete traffic, runway 1 left, clear to land. 1 left, clear to land, Chevrolet 2147.
51 and a quarter. 51, that doesn't sound right. 15 and a quarter? 757 rocket ship from you know where. Let's see if they can spray it up a little for us. Oh, they're going easy on the reversers.
Right turn, Delta 1525.7. 23 to Tampa Tower, runway 1 left. Continue traffic be in position. Start reducing your final speed.
2147 from LaGuardia. Let's see if they can spray it for us.
JetBlue 2147, turn right, Whiskey 6 north on Whiskey, contact ground point 7, no delay after runway. Whiskey 6 north on Whiskey, JetBlue 2147.
These runways just drain so quick. We need that next rain shower to get in here to give us some more moisture. find some protection here. Because the rain's coming down pretty good again. Aha! I think we got a clue, guys. Look at this. I think this is the first time we've ever had one with a wrapper still on it. RP. Ooh, here's the brand. All right, so we're looking for somebody who's smoking cigars with that seal on it. That can't be their initials, huh? That's got to be the name of the cigar. Royal something? Obviously, I'm on their trail once again. Oxy 100. A 220-300. To Charleston, CHS.
Tower 74 Golf Lima, Fifth Tower, runway 1 left, clear land.
Ooh, is that a global? I just saw.
Clear pickup. Only one right, clear for takeoff for crypto void.
Here go. This Global Express is headed all the way to Orlando. Did you hear the call sign though? Crypto. Is that as in cryptocurrency? And that's why they're flying a Global Express. Oh yeah, we're in the upper echelon of jets here with this crowd.
That's 1241, 1 left. That's 1241, Tampa Tower, runway 1 left, continue traffic in position. 1 left, continue, that's 1241. Tower 1241, start reducing your final altitude.
Before runway 28 crossing. Whew. Oh, look who's coming out to see us.
Tower 74 Golf Lima, runway Whiskey 4, South on Whiskey, contact ground point 7. 4 South on Whiskey, 74 Golf.
As I pulled into the economy garage, the Trolls livery from Southwest was given the clearance to take off.
2520, runway 1 left, clear to take off. Left, clear to take off, 2520.
It's pretty cool. Controls livery here twice in a week from Southwest.
1241, runway 1 left, clear to land, traffic on departure roll. 1 left, clear to land, Delta 1241. Charlie Hotel, Tampa Tower, you ready?
Oh, here comes the rain again. Oh, and the wind.
Number 78, Charlie Hotel, runway 1 right.
Captain Neo.
Roger, 2520, flight heading on 010, runway correction, contact 2. You want us on ahead? 2520, flight heading on 010, contact
2801. They're headed to the Windy City, Chicago O'Hare.
Delta 1099, Tampa Tower, runway 1 left, flying approach, Delta 1099, Tampa Tower, runway 1 left, flying approach, we'll say 1 left, Delta 1099.
It's weird, it's raining heavier down at that end of the runway. Look at that. Look at all the water down there. It's darker down there as well. San Juan, Puerto Rico for 1381. What kind of bird is this? I thought I saw something strange behind me. Cool looking fella. 1857. You can tell I've moved up close and personal here down at 1 right. The rain was easing up. So I figured I'd come down and see what's going on. It shows it's supposed to be heavy rain in a few minutes, but fine and dandy now.
True lines 1857, Tampa Tower, runway 1 right, clear for takeoff. And right, clear for takeoff, runway 18.
921 miles to DFW, Dallas-Fort Worth, Texas. Got my fingers crossed we got enough moisture on the runway to still get some spray action.
United 1227, turn right, enable south on Whiskey, contact ground point
6. Oh, we got a little. Oh, that's bright. I gotta change the setting. This almost looks too dark. That's a wind. They don't want to answer. United's 1890.
868, we're ready to go.
The year I was born. Feels like it's some days. Washington Dulles International. I think first we're going to see our exec jet leave. Now we got a little drizzle started again. Had the worst luck catching some good spray action this year. When it rains really hard, we ended up with ground halts. I thought they were cleared to take off. I think exec jet took a look at United and decided to stop.
Flying on 010, runway 18, clear to go. 010, clear for takeoff, runway 1 right, United.
Whoa, way down there. ULP, low and slow, barbecue special. One bounce off of Hillsborough Avenue. Took out a couple of trucks there, F-150s on the way. One bounce right off the top.
American 2920, turn right, Whiskey 5, contact ground point 7. Right, Whiskey 5, ground point 7, good day, American 2920.
Oh, now I'm getting clobbered. 2837 to San Antonio. Remember about 10 minutes ago when I said it was supposed to, it looked like the rain was going to come down in about 20 minutes? Well, it is. Gotta line up and wait. I need them to line up and go.
Southwest 2837, on departure for heading of 010, runway 1 right, clear for takeoff. Heading 010, 1 right, clear for takeoff, Southwest 2837. Tampa Tower, runway 1 right, line up the way. By the way, 1 right, JetBlue 126.
No, we don't need a photobomb now. Damn. I can't even see him anymore. 26 has been cleared. Although my glasses, my face are getting poured on. be at. Jeez. Hey, that's 1708. Made another move! From ATL. Oh, busiest airport in International Airport. 62 minutes of flying time. 62 minutes of rocket ship fun. Delta. Oh yeah! That's what I was hoping for. Right there. I think this is a phenom coming in. Your host, your commentator, director, producer is a phenom. Wow, looks like it's coming right at me. Dive bombing us. After seeing a condo action on the 7.5, let's hope we're going to see a bunch here. Delta's 2791. Nothing happening around here, so I'm getting wet. Birmingham, Alabama for 1227.
Good afternoon, American 2526. Alice Molested by Gelman.
Cypress Point Park.
11 left American 2526.
AA is 2526. All the way from Miami, Florida. Rocky Mountain in Colorado. 2045 from Denver. 737-800, making the 1,500-mile journey. Well, they don't seem to be minding the weather at all. Washington Dallas IAD for 2227. Back to back UAs.
Line 1 left through 1656.
Where is all the condo action we were expecting?
Wind check. 050 at 10.
Air Canada's Rouge departed YYZ 2 hours and 26 minutes ago. Well, gang, that's a wrap. That's going to conclude this windy, rainy, cloudy, drizzle afternoon edition of Spotting TPA at Tampa International. No sunshine today, that's for doggone sure. Hey, if you haven't done so already, hope you'll take a moment, smash that subscribe button, like, share, and hit the notification bell as we do this each and every day, uploads each morning. If you'd like to support the channel, please check out the super thanks icon. And as always, we'll see you again tomorrow on another edition of Spotting Tampa International.